So first of all, see, in all our events that we do in our DDS, if you see, we have community meetups. Yesterday, 2 days back, we did a community meetup. Every week, almost we do a physical meetup. So we are running an academy program. So what we do is we try to celebrate our community members, right, to who have finished the program. So I'm sharing my screen here. So let me also get Moiz. So first of all, congratulations, Moiz. I know this was long pending for you to
Thank you.
come and share. You were traveling, but first of all,
Yes, yes.
congratulations, Moiz, to finish the program, because it's not a one. It's a small program. You have to be consistent. You have to come. You have to learn. And I'm sure today you have seen when we started doing AI residency, AI was not so powerful, right? We did not have the
Right.
power to connect it with SQL like the way we are doing it today. So you will also appreciate
Yes.
the power more. So I'm giving the mic to you, but first of all, I'd like to thank you to take out time in your busy schedule and come and share your
Thank you.
experience with
Thank
the
you so
community.
much. Yes, yes. So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Moiz Lokhandwala, and I'm a solutions architect. I have more than 10 plus years of experience. And like, I think 2 years back when the AI was booming and when we were, seeing so many enhancements, how the um, AI is, in like evolving with time. So it was very confusing for me to figure out in which direction I should go, or in which direction I should start my career journey from as a solutions architect toward an AI-based solutions architect, right? So, of course, there are a lot of courses online. You can go find many learning resources, but there's always a structure required. When you go ahead with any transition, you need a structure, how to start, from where to start. So this AI residency course mainly provided me a structure where I could I could actually see my career transitioning from non AI based to AI based, and I could actually use those kind of skills in my current work. So as Mr. Arshad was showing one of the demo regarding SQL, right? So I would just give you a brief introduction about what product I work on. Like, so we as a company has a communication platform which is deployed to all the different banks, airlines, and all in Kuwait, right? Now there is a lot of data which is generated behind the scenes. So let's say there are transaction messages sent out to customers. Let's say a passenger complained, I did not receive a delay message. Now we have to manually run those queries. We have to give business an interface to do a lot of things, filters and all. But here with the AI revolution, what we can do now is with this example which we just saw, we can ask business team to just chat with our database, right? So they can just put a chat saying that this customer is complaining. The database can go to multiple tables, figure out why the message was failed, mobile number was incorrect, what errors came into the system, because we store everything in the database. So there is one small example on how I used this AI residency program's knowledge to my existing work, right? And it also gave me clarity. So if you start from scratch, you need to learn Python, you need to go through that whole process, right? So it's always important to go through that process to understand where exactly you need to have your expertise, correct? So in concept, we have RAG, we have vector databases, we have a lot of things. How I can use it in my organization, and how I can expand my current skills to this, that I decided based on this AI residency program, because it gave me a real clarity on how I have to structure. So thank you for Mr. Arshad for this program, and it was really helpful for me to
It's fine,
yeah,
yeah.
he's here. So
Future
it was
AI
really helpful for me to, yes,
engineer.
future AI. Yeah.
Mhm.
So yeah, thank you so much for this platform also to share my experience. Yeah, thank you so much, Mr.
Yeah.
Arshad.
Yeah. Just everyone put MP to you, more power to you, Moiz. Moiz, and I have met Moiz, I think, couple of times in our community meetup, and it's always nice for the people who are in the UAE to come to our meetups that we do, and we meet physical as well. So just put everyone. You can see you're getting a lot of congratulations on LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter. And this is the journey, right? When I developed AI residency, I took time to do that because you need to know different things, and everyone discovers
Mhm.
their sweet spot. Like Moiz discovered his sweet spot, Barry
I
discovered
have
his.
one more thing
Yeah,
to
tell me.
add. So yeah, so with this community, I also got a confidence in speaking out in other communities, right? So before this, I was not a technical speaker. I started speaking on stage. Now I am doing certain talks on different AI related tools like GitHub Copilot and .NET and Microsoft related technology. I'm doing regular talks. So this community gives that confidence also. When you come here, you speak one time, it builds confidence, and then you can go at multiple places and share your experience. So
Yeah.
yeah, that was
And
the last thing. Thank
Moise,
you
we
so
should
much.
also plan one workshop with you in the community. I will ping
Sure,
you
sure. I will be
offline. You
really
can,
happy.
yeah, in anything related to
Yes,
your
yes,
what you're
yes.
doing, Copilot. So, are you also using Copilot Studio?
No, no, I'm not using low code platform. I'm using pro code. Like I use VS Code, GitHub Copilot for regular development. And because I'm a team lead also, so I create an ecosystem for my developers so that they could use those custom agents within VS Code to
Mhm.
improve their productivity in terms of delivering features and all.
Yeah, guy, I will get in touch with
Yes.
you. Maybe if you can give a demo
Sure,
in the
sure, sure.
community for this same thing, how you're using. If you have
Definitely.
something already ready, it will be very awesome. Like I have not,
Yes, yes,
I
yes,
have
I
done
have.
a small session on GitHub Copilot, but I'm with not with agents. So if you can just plan and
Mhm.
I can connect with you offline. Guys, would be interested.
Definitely.
Just put in interested if you want Moise to do this. I'm sure GitHub. A lot of people are using GitHub Copilot, but it will be a good experience to for you to share. So thank you again, Moise, for sharing
Thank
your
you.
and coming and keep the journey going. And best of luck. And we shall meet soon in our next physical meetup in the UAE.
Thank you, and more power to you, Mr. Arsa.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you,
Thank
Moise.
you.
Everyone,
Bye.
yeah, and there are a lot of people who are interested, Moise. So we will do it soon.
Yes, yes.
GitHub Copilot
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
session.
I have things ready. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.